Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of important problems on AP, that is 2021 problems. So in my previous video I have completed till question number 6. Let us start now question number 7. So here the question number 7 is the third term of an AP is 8 and the ninth term exceed 3 times third term by 2. Find the sum of 19th term. What they have told here, the third term of an AP is 8. Third term is given as 8 and ninth term exceed 3 times the third term by 2. Find the sum of 19th term. Okay, let us find now. Here the question given is question number 7. Okay. They have told the third term is 8. Third term is 8 and ninth term exceed, that is ninth term exceed 3 times third term, 3 times third term by exceed by 2. Exceed in the sense it increase by 2. Let me read one more time. Third term is 8 and ninth term exceed 3 times third term by 2. Find the sum of 19 term. Yes, 19 we have to find. Okay. So let me start solving here. We all know that third term A3 is nothing but 1 less we have to do. A plus 2D is equals to 8. Let me write this as equation 1. Here A9 as it is, alright, is equals to 3. Third term is given as 8. Okay, here we can see third term place we should write 8 plus 2. A9 is nothing but A plus AD is equals to 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26, or else 8 3s are 24 plus 2 we can write. So A plus AD is equals to 26. We can write this as equation 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2 we get, okay, A plus 2D is equals to 8. A plus AD is equals to 26. Now we can see here A terms is equal but both have positive sign, so we cannot cancel. So we'll change the sign, minus, positive becomes negative and plus minus. Now A get cancel. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6D. Minus 26 plus 8 is nothing but minus 18, because greater sign is negative, minus 18. Now minus minus get cancelled. D is equals to 18 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. So D value we got as 3. Now put D is equals to 3 in any equation 1 or 2. We will take equation 1. So I'll write equation 1. A plus 2D is equals to 8. A value we don't know, so we'll write A as it is, plus 2 into D we got 3. In place of D I'll write 3 is equals to 8. A plus 3 to the 6 is equals to 8. A is equals to 8 minus 6. A is equals to 2. So D is equals to 3 we got and A is equals to 2 we got. We have to find S19. To find S19 we know the formula to find the sum of nth term. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1D. So S19 we have to find. S19 is equals to 19 by 2. 2A value is 2 plus n is nothing but 19 minus 1, D value is 3. So we cannot cancel 19 by 2. Let us keep 19 by 2 as it is. 2 to the 4 plus 19 minus 1 is 18 into 3. So 19 by 2 I'll keep as it is. 4 plus 18 3s are 54. 19 by 2 into 54 plus 4, 58. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 nines are 18. 19 into 29. If we multiply 19 into 29, we are going to get S19 is equals to 551. So we got the answer. Sum of 19th term is 551. So the question number 8. In an AP, 5 times 5th term is equal to 8 times its 8th term. In an AP, what they have told, 5 times 5th term is equal to 8 times its 8th term. Show that A13 is equals to 0. So let us find. It's very easy problem. So what they have told in the question, let me write 5 times 5th term. So what they have told here, question number 8, 5 times 5th term is equals to 8 times its 8th term, and they have told prove that or show that A13 is equals to 0. Okay, let us prove now. 5 times 5th term, 5 into 5th term is A plus 4D is equals to 8 into 8 term, A plus 7D. So 5 into A is 5A, 5 4s are 20D. 8 into A, 8A, 8 7s are 56D. So let us bring one side A terms. 5A minus 8A is equals to 56D minus 20D. 5A minus 8A is minus 3A is equals to 56D minus 20D. So 6, 5 minus 2, 36D. A is equals to, or D is equals to, let us write A is equals to minus 36D upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. A value we got minus 12D. So here we got A value as minus 12D. What they have told to prove now, A13. A13 is equals to A plus 12D. A value what we have got now, minus 12D plus 12D as it is. Minus 12D plus 12D is nothing but 0. So we proved A13 is equals to 0. They have told in the question, show that A13 is equals to 0. Show that A13 is equals to 0. So we got A13 is equals to 0. Let us see the question number 9. Ninth one question they have told here, an AP consists of 37 terms. How many terms an AP consists of? 37 terms. The sum of first 3 term of it is 12, and the sum of its last 3 term is 318. What they have told, first 3 term is 12 and the sum of its last 3 term is 318. Find the first and last term of an AP. Okay. An AP consists of 37th term. So total term is n is equals to 37. They have told an AP consists of 37 term. Sum of first 3 term is 12. Let us write A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equals to 12. Sum of first 3 term is 12, and they have told and the sum of last 3 term is 318. Total term is 37. So last 3 terms will be A35 plus A36 plus A37, because total term is 37, 36, 35 are the last 3 terms. is, they have told in the question, is 318. Okay, so A1 is nothing but A. A2 is 1 less, we have to do A plus D, and A3 is nothing but A plus 2D is equals to 12. A plus A plus A is nothing but 3A plus 2D plus D, 3D is equals to 12. So if we divide our equation, we will write 1. Equation 1. Let us see this side. A plus A35 is nothing but A plus 34D. We have to do 1 less always. Plus A36 is nothing but A plus 35D. And A37 is nothing but A plus 36D. 1 less we have to do is equals to 318. Now 1A, 2A, 3A. 3A plus 36 plus 35 plus 34 is nothing but 105D is equals to 318. Equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, we get 3A plus 3D is equals to 12. 3A plus 105D is equals to 318. Here we can see that 3A and 3A get cancelled, but sign are same. So let us change the sign, minus. Here also minus and here also minus. So 3A get cancelled. 105D minus 3D is 102D, but greater sign is negative, so minus is equals to 318 minus 12 is 306. Negative, greater sign is negative, 306. Minus minus get cancelled. D is equals to 306 upon 102. Now D is equals to 102 1s are 102, 102 3s are 306. So we got D value as 3. Now let us substitute this value. Put D is equals to 3 in equation 1. I'll take equation 1. 3A plus 3D is equals to 12. 3A as it is plus 3 into D value is nothing but 3 is equals to 12. 3A plus 3 3s are 9 is equals to 12. So 3A is equals to 12 minus 9. 3A is equals to 12 minus 9 is 3. So we got A is equals to 3 by 3. Get cancelled, and we got A is equals to as 1. So here A, D value 3 and A value we got 1. What they have told us to find? Find the first and last term. First term is always A. A is equals to what we got 1, and last term is 37. A 37 is equals to A plus 36D. A value is 1. 1 plus 36 into D value is 3. 1 plus 36 3s are 108. 108 plus 1 is 109. So first term we got 1 and last term we got 109. So the question number 10 now. The sum of first 7 term of an AP is 140 and the sum of next 7 term of an AP is 385. What they have asked question in model paper 1. The sum of first 7 term of an AP is 140 and the sum of next 7 term of an AP is 385. So let us find what they have asked. Question number 10th. The sum of first 7 term A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6 plus A7 is equals to what they have told 140. So let me find, and they have told again, and the sum of next 7 term is 385. Let us find first A1 is A. A2 is 1 less we have to do, A plus D. A3 is again 1 less, A plus 2D. A4, A plus 3D. A5, A plus 4D. A6, A plus 5D. And A7, A plus 6D is equals to 140. Okay. Now, how many A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7A. 7A plus how many D it is? Now, let me count. 6, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21D is equals to 140. Equation 1. Okay. Now what they have told in the question, sum of next 7 term is 385. Next 7 term is A8, A9, A10, A11 plus A12 plus A13 plus A14 plus A15, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 7 term is 385. Same way we have to solve. A plus A8 is A plus 7D plus A plus 8D. A10 is A plus 9D. A11 is A plus 10D plus A12 is A plus 11D plus A13 is A plus 12D plus A14 is A plus 13D is equals to 385. Okay. Now how many A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7A plus if we add all these 13, 12D, 11D, 10D, 9D, 8D and 7D, we are going to get 70D is equals to 385. Solving 1 and 2. We get solving equation 1 and 2, we get 7A plus 21D is equals to 140. 7A plus 70D is equals to 385. Now let us 7A we have same term but we have both positive. Let us change the sign. Minus, here also minus and here also minus. 7A get cancelled. 70 minus 21 is minus 49D because y minus greater number 70 is having negative sign is equals to 385 minus 140 is 245. Here also greater sign is minus. Minus minus get cancelled. D is equals to 245 upon 49. Here we will get 49, 1s are 49, 49, 5s are 245. So D value we got 5. Okay. Or else if you are confused directly how we can come to know, you can carry on with other number. 7 7s are 49, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23 and 4. 7 7s are 49, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23 and 4. 7 5s are 35. Then 7 and 7, 7 5s are 35. So you got how we got 5 here. So D is equals to 5. Put D is equals to 5 in equation 1. Okay. Equation 1 is 7A plus 21D is equals to 140. 7A as it is plus 21 into D value is 5 is equals to 140. 7A plus 21 5s are 105 is equals to 140. 7A as it is 140 minus if we bring 105 that side it becomes minus 105. So 7A is equals to 140 minus 105 is nothing but 35. A is equals to 35 by 7. 7 1 7, 7 5s are 35. So A value we got 5. So what they have told us to find in this question, find AP. Here we can see find AP. So let us find AP. Therefore, AP is A1, A2, A3. Like this we have to find. A1 is A, A2 is A plus D, A3 is A plus 2D. We'll put so A value is 5. In place of A, I'll write 5, comma A is 5 plus D value is also we got 5. 5 plus 5, comma A 5 plus 2 into D value is 5. So let us, as it is dots, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So the required AP is 5, 10, 15. Now let us see the next question. Question number 11. Okay. Find the sum of 51 terms of an AP whose second and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. What they have asked the question here, find the sum of 51 terms of an AP. So yes, 51 we want to find. The given, what is given? Whose second and third term are 14 and 18. Second term is 14 and third term is 18. It is given. Find the sum of 51 terms. Okay, let us find. A2 is nothing but A plus D is equals to 14. Let us write this as equation 1, and A3 is nothing but one less we have to do. A3 is A plus 2D is equals to 18 as it is. Equation 2. So now solving 1 and 2, we get solving 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 solving, what we get? Let us solve. A plus D is equals to 14. A plus 2D is equals to 18. So if we subtract, because both A we cannot cancel because we have to change the sign. Minus, plus sign becomes minus. Here also negative. A get cancelled. Minus 2D plus D is minus D because negative sign, bigger number is negative sign. 18 minus 14 is 4, negative sign is bigger because 18 is having negative sign. So minus minus get cancelled. D is equals to 4. So we got D value as 4. Put D is equals to 4 in equation 1. Any equation we can put. We will take equation 1. A plus D is equals to 14. A value we don't know, we'll keep as it is. Plus sign as it is. D is nothing but 4 is equals to 14. A is equals to 14 as it is. Plus 4 we have to bring this side, minus 4. A is equals to what we got? 10. So D we got 4, A we got 10. So what we have to find? S51. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D. This is the formula. So here S51 they have told 51 by 2, 2A. A is 10 plus 51 minus 1 D value is 4. We cannot cancel this because 51 is an odd number. So we'll keep as it is. 51 by 2. 2 tens are 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. Okay. So 51 by 2 as it is. 20 plus 54s are 200. Okay. So 51 by 2 into 200 plus 20 is 220. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 0. Now 110 into 51 we have to multiply. That is 1 5s are 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 51,650 as it is. So yes, 51 value is 5,610. So we got answer. Find the sum of 51 term is nothing but 5,610. So the next question is, so last question, question number 12. Okay. In an AP, the sum of first three terms is 24 and their product is 480. Find the three terms of an AP. Okay. They have told sum of three terms is 24. Let the three terms be, let the three terms be A minus D, A plus D. These are the three terms. Given condition is sum of first three term is 24. Sum is nothing but 24. We'll add between these three terms. A minus D. Okay. Sum A plus D. Sum between three term is 24. It is told in the question. So this is minus D plus D get cancelled. 3A is equals to 24. A is equals to 24 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 eights are 24. So A value what we got? A is equals to 8 we got. Now what they have told, product of three terms. Product is 480 they have told. Okay. Product A minus D into A plus D. Product between three term is 480. Okay. A minus D and A plus D we will bring near. This A, it is in multiply position. If we bring this side, it becomes divide. Okay. Now we know that A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. Like that A minus D, A plus D is A square minus D square. 480 upon A value is 8. Okay. 8 ones are 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 60 we got here. Okay. Now we got 60. A is nothing but 8 square minus D square is equals to 60. 8 square is nothing but 64 minus D square is equals to 60. Minus D square is equals to 60 minus 64. So minus D square is equals to minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled. D square will become plus and minus root 4. D value we got plus and minus 2. What they have told us to find the three terms. So therefore the three terms are A plus D, A minus D. Now we have D2 value. If D is equals to 2 plus 2, then A is 8 only. 8 minus 2, 8, 8 plus 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 and 10. These are the three terms if D is equals to 2. If D is equals to minus 2, because we have D value 2 values, 1 plus 1 minus. So if minus 2, 8 minus of minus 2, 8, 8 plus minus 2. So 8 minus of minus is plus, 8, 8 minus 2. That is 10, 8 and 6. If D is equals to minus 2. This completes the question number 12. In my next video, I will start chapter wise important problems of all chapters which will be helpful for you for your board exam. Thank you.